Hi, Jimmy Blanchard with United Real Estate. We're here at 7762 16th Place in beautiful Labelle, Florida. It's in the Wheeler Estate subdivision. We have a 1,700 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2-bath home situated on 1.25 acres. Let's take a look inside. This home comes with tile throughout. Here's bedroom number 1. Pretty nice size. Ceiling fan, closet. Just outside bedroom 1 is the bathroom. Tub shower combination. Linen closet. Bedroom number 2, it's about the same size as the first bedroom. Beautiful entryway. Living room features hookups for your TV and a fireplace, electric fireplace. It puts out heat. It's a beautiful, beautiful addition to this home. Has nice lighting. Beautiful tile floors. Have white cabinets in the kitchen with a darker accent island. Quartz countertops. Beautiful sink. Got Maytag appliances. Plenty of cabinets and counter space. These appliances come with a 10-year limited warranty. Got 10-foot high ceilings here. Beautiful. Nice size pantry. Have a barn door where the washer and dryer area is. If you purchase in the month of April, they're going to give you a Maytag washer and dryer. Large laundry room here. Step into the master. Really nice size master bedroom. Master bathroom. Beautiful walk-in shower. Has a bench in it. Very nice tile. His and her sinks. Beautiful cabinets. Plenty of room for all your accessories. The master closet. It's a huge master closet. Let's go take a look at the garage. Nice painted floor. Plenty of room for 2 cars. Garage door opener. This home has a 4-ton 16-SEER air conditioning unit. Feels great in here. If I can help you out, if you'd like to see it in person, give me a call, 239-600-4561, 239-600-4561. Thank you. Have a great day.